Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, May 13th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed, and it was a good day for us, but I'm kind of depressed, and I'll tell you why. We basically made about $30,000 a day. Now, any day that I make $30,000, I should not complain. We closed out nearly $18,000 in closed out trades, and we're carrying about $12,000 going into tomorrow. So that is a good day. But this is why I'm feeling depressed. I've been doing this, putting stuff online now for almost 5 years, and I can remember 2 or 3 times that I made just over $40,000 in a single day. So, say that I have 3 days making $40,000 plus. Never went higher, never got to $50,000. And today, we came in with, I think, 36 positions or something, and the market really took off very nicely. Our markets took off very nicely right at the beginning. And 73 minutes into the day, that's just almost an hour and a quarter, I took a screenshot of it, I put it up on the website, you can see it. We had $59,000 in open trade. I've never seen it that good before, $59,000. And then, everything started to slip, like we've had this problem. And basically we got out with about half that. So that's what's depressing. Even though it made $30,000, it kind of hurts. I had this brief shining moment of hoping for glory. Hey, we needed that $59,000. I thought it was going to be the best day ever, and it kind of slipped back to being a really good day, but not the best day ever. And I feel like the market gods took that from me, and I'm not feeling too good. Anyway, Dow gained 20 points today, kind of a lackluster day. Had this Dow really taken off and had another 100-point day like yesterday, I know we would have taken out $80,000 today, but it wasn't to be. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you can see this great run-up we had yesterday, and 115 points or something like that, I think. And we came in today. Again, it looked like the market was really going to go a lot higher. I think up here at the very top, it was up like 35 to 40 points, something like that. But then it just couldn't get up enough steam to keep going, and it pulled back a little and basically traded flat and sideways and ended up closing up 20 points. Now, as I say, we keep in mind, our close out trade yesterday, or rather, what we carried into today was 22,000. So we improved on that, even with a kind of lackluster day in the Dow. But as I say, for a while there, it looked like we were really going for glory, and unfortunately, that faded for us. Anyway, we still had great trades, and as I say, I almost feel guilty complaining about making $30,000. I'll show you just a couple of the trades. This first one, this was a really big trade for us. We're not out of it yet. This is in CSUN or China Sun Energy, I believe. Yes. And this market, we had bought this yesterday. It did close favorably, but we had this huge gap up today, and it was just really beautiful. Did hook back just a little bit, but not too much. We are holding $7,000 in China Sun Energy, so that looks really great. Let's just hope that holds and lets us get out tomorrow with at least that $7,000. I'll show you one other one. This was kind of a surprise. This market has kind of a schizophrenic market, and so it's got me a little bit worried, but it looked really good today. We bought this today. This is an JRJC, which is China Finance Online, I believe. It's another China stock, and we got into this today right away. Second hour of the day, and it just kept going and going and going. And this was up here. This was almost up to $5,000. It did pull back a little, but we are holding over $3,500 in that. So JRJC looks really good. Let's hope it holds for tomorrow. Anyway, this is Trader Bob complaining about a $30,000 day. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.